Peace, peace, peace. Everybody, just showing you what I do. This is like one of my stretches right here. And what I'm doing is keeping my back straight. I'll stand here for about 40 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll give it 30. I always do like 30 minutes. And what I do is I just keep my body straight. I hold on to the sink, and I'll just keep my body straight. Stand up and breathe. And breathe. What this does is just relax my body. Stand up and breathe. While I'm standing up and breathing, what I'm doing is tightening my muscles. So it's basically an isometric when you think about it. I started to get a big stomach. I was like, nah, this is not me. So I'm really working on my abs right now. I don't know if you could tell. I should have did it before and after, but I had a beer belly. But let go. See that? Boom. Let go. No braces on. None of that. Just focus right now. Peace.